In this question, we're told that the discrete random variable x takes the values -1, +2, 3, 4, and 7. Those are the only values that it can take. We've been given a function to find the probability for each of those values. We're first asked to use a table to find a value for the unknown k. The function is 8 minus x over k, and we need to try and find k. Okay, let's start by constructing the table. So in the top row, we're going to put these values of x. These are the possible outcomes. And in the second row, we're going to try and work out an expression in terms of k for the probability. For each of these, we're going to substitute the x value into the given expression. So 8 minus -1 over k gives us 9 over k. Just going to write 9 over k in the second row. The probability x equals 2, 8 minus 2 over k, 6 over k. The probability x equals 3, 8 minus 3 over k, 5 over k. The probability x equals 4, 8 minus 4 over k, 4 over k. And the probability that x equals 7 is going to be 8 minus 7 over k. That's 1 over k. 9 over k, 6 over k, 5 over k, 4 over k, 1 over k. We should know that all of these probabilities are going to sum and give us 1. The sum of all the probabilities in a discrete random variable in a probability distribution is always going to be 1. So here's our fraction. 25 over k equals 1. K must equal 25. Okay, as soon as I know the value of k, I always go back to the table and I'm rewriting these algebraic expressions as numerical values. So we know the fraction for each of these possible outcomes. Typically helps with whichever part of the question is coming next. In the next part of the question, we're asked to find the probability x is greater than 2. And we always want to rewrite this as a greater than or equals to. So this is the probability x is greater than or equal to 3. Back to our table. We're looking for all the probabilities for any outcome that is 3 or greater. So we're looking at 3, 4, and 7, and the probabilities associated with them. If we sum these together, that's our answer. 5 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 10 over 25. The probability that x is greater than or equal to 3, 10 over 25.